While I was waiting for this blank to cool down, I went and found this. This was basically the deciding factor on the size of the blade. I've had this little leather pouch laying around for years and years and years. I don't remember where it came from. I think I made it in like a Pioneer Clubs or something. But I found it sitting in a drawer the other day and I was like, that's a nice size for a knife. So I measured that out and then ended up with this blade size. Normally I would have liked to make the blade bigger, but look at that. Perfect fit. Finish this all up. This is going to look real nice in there. For a free consultation, call 1-888-X-COPPER. Been playing with this blank a little bit, and I think I finally got a feel for how big I want the handle, how I want it shaped. Sketch it out on there. I'm just going to cut around it just real rough, and finish that off with the sander after the fact. Not bad. That's pretty much all of our rough cutting right there. From this, we move on to, I'm going to put the edge profile on here. I'm not going to make it real sharp, just going to put the basic profile on. I'm going to sand down all these edges that I got basically to right where I want it to be. Take off all this extra that I left down here. And then, once I got those two things done, I'm going to pull out the propane torches, heat this sucker up, and dip it in a bucket of water. Then we'll be well on our way to finishing this. Not bad for only been out here an hour and a half. Still going good. This is as good as it's going to get for the moment. I'm gonna sketch the profile on it again now that I've cleaned all the metal off of it, all the rough part. I'm gonna sketch that on and use a Dremel to get more detail on it. But that's the power of the belt sander right there. I took a good like 1/4 inch, maybe an 1/8 inch of metal right off that blade. Gave it a tapered appearance toward the point. Before I hit it with a Dremel though, I'm going to use this jig here, which I built just out of scrap wood and stuff a couple months ago. Watch this.
Dr. Bunsen Honeydew.
Oh, you're both right.
We're both like a third right.
Okay.
Wrote Pigs in the Basement.
Yes.
Yeah, what was the name of their ship?
I don't remember.
The Swine Trek.
Wait, you said that earlier.
You should have. Another lesson, kids. Beaker never paid attention clearly.
This weekend on the Edge.
It's an Edge request weekend.
You're calling the shots.
What you want?
Yeah, hey, totally would love to hear a song.
I get the point.
The Edge request weekend. Make your call count this weekend.
On the Edge.
Maple Leafs are back on the road tonight in Nashville. We'll take on the Predators. We'll have our premium show. The Leafs tonight at 7:30. And Leafs around the call the game at 8. And Leafs talk when it's over. We're on Maple Leafs. Nashville Predators live from Nashville tonight on the home of the Leafs. Talk Radio AM.
Alright, look at that.
Nice
little setup there, huh?
Sale of the year. Save on a wide variety of items for your like the latest
Now what I do with this,
Pro Back Bronze Elegant Zero Top Queen Mattress Set. spring for additional support and pressure relief, providing a more comfortable sleep. This mattress is specially priced for the Bay's home sale with savings of over $2,000. Now just
So I'll make a
$8.98
profile block,
per yen. The Bay's
the angle that I
home
want
sale
the,
is on now.
Some people have a sweet
that I want the
tooth,
blade
but
on
for
here.
most, it's a meat
I'll
tooth.
make the block have that angle on the side. I'll clamp this to the block.
A fresh
And what I do
AAA sirloin
is I
steak,
run it along here, back and forth. Or in this case, I'm actually just going to have to hold it on there, which isn't a big deal because the knife
prices like those other
is
steakhouses.
not even wide enough to go the whole width of the belt. But for a longer blade, you need to run it back and forth to make sure that the angle forms evenly on the whole blade.
Escape to
And
Montana's
I'm going to
Cookhouse.
redo the block with a different profile for the tip and do it like that. And of course, it's going to be both sides of the
Not a bad idea.
You could do it on just one side, make a Tonto blade, but I think that looks pretty cheesy.
And everyone thought he was a genius until I pondered aloud.
I gotta make this block and see what I can do.
$50 off. And then everyone cheered.